Hello guys, my name is Olori V and you're welcome back to my channel. Please, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want you to please subscribe, comment, give this video a thumbs up and also share with your friends and family. So today I'm going to be doing a very intense and amazing and very beneficial beauty routine for your face. So today I'm going to be using egg whites and rice for my facial glow. So this is the third time I'm doing this, and for the third time doing this, it has really been amazing because this helps to tighten my pores. This helps to prevent pimples, and that's all of it. So a lot of you don't know the benefits of egg white or egg yolk. Well, I'm going to drop everything you need on the description button. So egg helps to tighten the pores of the skin. It has a very good anti-aging properties, and also it helps to prevent pimples and a lot of skin tags and all that. And rice too is a very good anti-aging property, and also it helps to lighten and brighten your face. So for those of you who have friends or have customers or have people that will tell me that, Vicky, what can I do to lighten my face? My body is fair but my face is dark. What can I do? Well, this is a very delicate and important or beneficial English tip this thing for you to do. So you can actually work with this, and of course you get something right. So what I'm going to do is, I'm not using the raw rice, so I'm just going to boil my rice for like about 15 minutes. I'm using small. I've boiled it already, and then my egg. So I'll be extracting the yolk from the egg, so I'll be making use of the egg yolk, and then I'll blend this together to make a paste, and then I'll apply this on my face. But before you do, please always make sure you wash your face with warm water to open pores, so that these things can be active on your face, make your face clean. I've washed my face already and it's dried, so I'll just blend this and apply on my face. So let's see how it's gonna be. So guys, I've extracted the yolk out of the egg, so I'll be pouring it inside my blender, and also the rice, and then I'm going to blend this to make a paste. Sorry for that noise, that sound. Okay. Alright, so we'll go blend this. So guys, I've actually blended it. Okay, so this is how it looks, like a paste. So I'll be applying this onto my face little by little. Okay, so you just apply all over the face, everywhere, and then you can leave this for like 30 minutes, but if you have time you can leave it for more. So this will shrink your face. So when it does that, it means that it is closing the pores to shrink everything. I like to extend it to my neck area. So you just make sure you apply this all over your face. Okay, I'll show you the outcome of it. So guys, this is all over my face. You can keep the remaining one for 2 days in the fridge, so you can actually do more of it and refrigerate it. Okay, so I'm going to leave this for like 30 minutes, and then I'll show you how it will look like. This will be dry, and I'm feeling it already that it's actually shrinking my face. So, and then I'll wash off with cold water. I can't actually perceive the egg. It's just the white, the rice. Sorry. All right, guys. See, I extended mine to my neck. Ta-da! So guys, it's about 30 minutes to my face now. So this is how it should look. I can't even talk. Ta-da! So guys, I've washed off the rice and egg for my face. Look at the way my skin is looking all blended. Yeah, very well blended skin. So you can do this twice a week or thrice a week, and also make sure you exfoliate your skin like twice a week. Okay, so all these things can work. So guys, please, if you've not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, share with your friends, and don't worry, I'll be bringing more beauty tips I use, and that is also beneficial to me. Thank you for watching this video. I'll catch you on my next video. Bye bye. Peace.